Now we're ready to start lesson 2, slope-intercept form. And when you guys are doing this at home, make sure that you're either using Cami to graph your lines with a straight edge, or you're using a piece of graph paper with a straight edge. You can pick up some graph paper in class to complete your work on, okay? I've got my ruler here that I'm going to be using. So the first thing I want to talk about, or I want to remind you of, is slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is the form that says y equals mx plus b. Uses a lot in algebra 1 and 2. We need to talk about what m and b represent. If you remember from our last lesson, m is the slope. Remember what b represents? Well, it's the y-intercept. Okay, so if I have this equation right here, y equals 2x minus 5, my m is 2. It's in the spot where the m is in my equation. And my b is negative 5. So to graph this, I always start with b, begin with b. I go down to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, down to negative 5. And my slope, I'm going to go up to the right 1. Now I'm going to bring my handy dandy ruler guy over here. There he is. Draw my line. We're in high school, and not even are we just in high school, but we're seniors, so we can draw our arrows on the end. Example 2, I have a slope of negative 1/2 and a y-intercept of 4. So I'm going to go down, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's positive 4, begin with b. My slope, I go down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2. I could also go up 1 into the left 2, right? Now I'm ready to draw my graph. Bring it over here. Got my little ruler. It was going to let me twist it anymore. There we go. It wasn't wanting to let me twist it. Draw my line. 2 more examples. I have, if you want to see that one a little bit longer, this one I have y equals negative 3. So my slope is 0. There's no x value up here. And my b is negative 3. If you're having trouble visualizing this, let's rewrite it. Equals 0x minus 3. See how my slope is 0? So I'm going to go to negative 3 on my axis, 1, 2, 3. And if my slope is 0, I know that's a horizontal line, so I will bring my little ruler over. There it is. Sometimes it doesn't like to turn for me. Draw my horizontal line, 2 arrows on the end. This one, I have x equals 2. And if you remember, an x equals equation is a vertical line. So I'm going to go where x is 2 on my graph. And this is going to be a no slope, or a vertical line with my ruler. There we go. And that's how we draw graphs when we have slope-intercept form.